Hello students, how are you? We are going to start Unit 5th Yoga Part 7 Relaxation Techniques for Improving Concentration Yoga Nidra. Yoga Nidra is one of the practice of Pratyahar in which the awareness is internalized. Yoga Nidra means psyche sleep, which is sleeping with complete awareness. During the practice of Yoga Nidra, the body sleeps, however, the mind remains conscious, listening to the command given. Yoga Nidra is performed in the posture of Savasana with the eyes closed. Yoga Nidra is a very powerful physical and mental relaxation technique. Some processes are given below. First, preparation. Lie down with legs apart and hands by the body with palm facing upward in Savasana. Head, neck and spine should be kept aligned. Eyes should be closed and the body relaxed. Second, intention sankalp. Take a sankalp according to your own wish. It should be short, clear, and positive. For example, sankalp may be I will enjoy complete health or I will never be cheerful, etc. Second, feeling and sensation. In this particular stage, the bodily or emotional sensations are recalled, intensified, and experienced completely. Fourth, return or finishing the practice. This stage is important because if you move fast out of Yoga Nidra, you can feel discounted and uncomfortable. At this stage, awareness is externalized slowly so that you can be aware of the external locations, sounds, objects, and persons. Next, advantage of Yoga Nidra. First, relax the mind. Yoga Nidra brings complete relaxation of the mind and body when the awareness is rotated on the different parts of the body. It induces both physical and mental relaxation. Second, counteracts stress. The practice of Yoga Nidra helps in building up the coping ability to contract stress. Third, reduce tension. Regular practice of Yoga Nidra helps in managing diseases like hypertension, digestive disorders, and asthma, such as depression, anxiety, and stress. Fourth, improve the concentration level. Yoga Nidra improves concentration level, brings complete relaxation to the mind and body, cools down the body after yoga posture, helps in restoring normal temperature activities the nervous system to observe the effects of yogasana, helps in managing various diseases and helps to improve sleep. Okay, thanks to all.